Hello, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to build a professional Excel navigation bar from scratch. No VBA, no complexity. Okay, let's get started. Imagine managing sales across multiple regions. Instead of scrolling through sheets, we'll build a left-side navigation menu that lets users switch regions instantly. Just like a real business app. We'll begin on the home sheet, where our navigation bar will live. First, let's clean up the workspace. Go to the View tab, and turn off grid lines. I recommend doing this on every sheet. It immediately gives your dashboard a cleaner, more professional look. Let's create the Home button. Go to Insert, then Shapes, choose a rectangle, and draw it on the left side. This is our button base. Set the fill to dark blue. Remove the outline, and add a subtle shape effect for a clean, corporate finish. Now select the shape, and type Home. Highlight the text, go to the Home tab, choose a clean font like Laura Medium. Increase the font size to 12, and center the text so it looks balanced and easy to read. Next, press Ctrl+D to duplicate the button for our regional sections. Place each duplicate neatly below the Home button, keeping the spacing consistent for a clean, professional layout. Hold Ctrl and select all the buttons. Go to Shape Format, then Align, choose Align Center, and then distribute vertically to space them evenly. Finally, update the button labels to West, Central, East, and South. Now comes the most important step, bringing our navigation to life. Let's start by linking the buttons to their sheets. Select the Home button, right-click, choose Link, then select Place in this document. Pick the Home sheet, and click OK. Your Home button is now fully interactive. Next, repeat the same process for the West button. Right-click, choose Link, select the West sheet, and click OK. Follow these exact steps to link the Central, East, and South buttons as well. Once you're done, you'll be able to move between sheets instantly with a single click. Instead of rebuilding the navigation on every sheet, we'll reuse what we've already created. Hold Ctrl and select the entire navigation panel. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. And paste it into each regional sheet. This keeps the layout consistent across the entire workbook and saves a lot of time. Now let's add a professional touch, active page highlighting. On the current sheet, slightly shift the active button to the right. Change its fill color to purple. This clearly shows users where they are, just like in a real application. Repeat the same styling on each region sheet for its corresponding button. Finally, let's test the navigation. Click East, you jump there instantly. Click Home, and you're back on the dashboard. Smooth, clean, and professional. To add icons, go to Insert, then Icons. Choose a home icon, and suitable location icons for the regions. Then click Insert. Resize each icon. Change the graphic fill to white, and place them inside each button. That's it, you've just built a professional navigation bar in Excel, just like the ones used in real business dashboards. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and I'll see you in the next video.